Daddy, can I play on your computer?
No, because you're grounded. And besides, this is my computer, not yours. Oh God. I need to go poop really bad.
You know what? I don't care. I'm going to computer no matter what. I will install a virus on my dad's computer. Ha 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 ha. Yes, I installed a virus. Yeah.
Time to go on my computer.
Sorry, you got a virus on your computer. Please restart the computer. If it doesn't work, please get a new computer. Virus by Caillou.
Caillou, get over here right now.
Caillou. How dare you install a virus on my computer? That's it. You're grounded for 12,312,016 years. Go to your room right now.
Wah.